front of me is HTC Desire 20 Pro, and let me show you how to manage notifications for your messages, how to turn off pops-up. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select apps and notifications, go to see all apps and locate messages. Here they are, so smoothly open it. Now click on notifications, and if you'd like to turn them all off, just tap on show notifications. Now you will not receive any notification regarding new message or NFN connected with messages. But if you'd like to switch off just pops up, just go to the advanced and now switch off at first notification dot and also info for incoming messages. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.